Hi guys, thank you for joining me. With Halloween coming up, I thought I'd provide you with an idea for a Halloween painting. I'm going to do an acrylic swipe to create the background, and then I'm going to paint on a haunted house. The base colors that I'm busy pouring on for the swipe are all mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. All the paint colors, ratios and supplies will be in the description box, so you can find all those details there. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to cover some of the open spaces. To swipe, I'm using ivory black paint, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to swipe. I know the paint colors look much less vibrant once they dry, but you don't need to worry because once you varnish your painting, it brings the colors back to life again, so they're just dull for the time being. I used a drawing compass to help me draw a circle around the painting, and now I'm just painting around the outside of that circle using ivory black. By the way, before getting started with this part, I wiped the canvas down gently with some warm water mixed with dish soap to help clean off some of the silicone, and then I wiped the soapy water off with some plain warm water. It's best to let your painting dry for at least a week or even more before you wipe it down, otherwise the paint might actually come off when you wipe it. I drew this little house on some cardboard, and now I'm using it to help guide me draw this onto the canvas using a Posca pen. You can draw directly onto the canvas. I just prefer working on paper or cardboard first so that I don't end up with tons of pencil marks all over the canvas as I try to refine my drawing. Now I'm using my house sketch to help me remember where I wanted to place the windows and the door. And I'm just busy drawing those on. think maybe I need to add 1 or 2 bats to help complete the painting. And now I'm adding a little bit of grass to help wrap this up. By the way, when I finish this part, I am going to add a second coat of black paint, but I'll do that off camera. I think it looks kind of sweet, not too scary, and hopefully you got an idea or two for a Halloween painting of your own. Thanks so much for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.